For those who can't actually purchase and own a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, the day to live out a fantasy has come. The British ultra-luxury brand has launched the posh SUV's online configurator, and anyone can build the Cullinan of their dreams. The old saying applies here: if you have to ask how much it is, it's pretty darn expensive. Naturally, pricing isn't listed with the configurator or any associated options. That didn't stop us from digging through the tool to build one opulent SUV. Rolls-Royce offers 8 exterior colors ranging from a deep red, a soft blue, green, and typical whites, blacks, and silvers. After choosing a color, potential customers move along to exterior style. The portion gives potential buyers the choice to choose a separate color for the coach line, select various wheel options, and choose the style for the ever-important Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. Inside, the choices grow. Rolls-Royce offers a handful of pre-selected schemes, but shoppers can easily get creative and choose a primary, secondary, and tertiary color. Not only that, but Rolls-Royce also offers the option to select different finishes for various parts of the seats, door panels, and more. Seat options include the rear seat configuration lounge, immersive with the center console, heated and cooled choices, and rear picnic tables. Finally, shoppers will choose leather detailing. Oh, and there's also an option for lambswool floor mats. Before closing out the configurator, buyers will also have the option to choose extra personalized options. They include an umbrella and a signature personalized key for the owner. We wish we could tally up just how costly our build turned out, but we imagine we spent a pretty penny along the way. Pricing for the Rolls-Royce Cullinan starts at $325,000. Of course, that quickly inflates once a buyer ticks various option boxes.